if this doesn't work, I'm going to, I think I'm gonna bread it. You know what? Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. It's another video where we bread something. Yay! No, there's only two. I can do this. Of course, I got cornstarch all over myself because I need, you know, that's how cornstarch works. Oh, you just did that! Why, Jamie? Why? Okay, I think I'm good. Yep. All right. Crisis resolved. Cornstarch, you son of a bitch. Ah, stop it, cornstarch. Jesus. Stop cornstarch. Stop harassing me. Okay. So, cornstarch. There's cornstarch everywhere. And then we'll see what we got. You can also, when you make this, you... Why are we here still like this? You go watch these. Venture that we're on right now. You just never know. You just never know what I'm going to do. You just never know. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, The Heathen Vegan, an online, mostly gluten-free vegan cooking channel where I show you guys how to make some really good food that's good for you, that's good for the environment. I try to make sure that the products I use are as clean as they can be and that they're easily attainable. The purpose of my channel here is to show you guys that you can take mainstream food and you can turn it into something that's good for you and that tastes good too. On to today's video. I almost said episode, but I said video instead. On to today's video. Today I'm going to try to make not so much gluten-free because I think these chicken patties have a little bit of weak gluten in them. But I'm going to try to make vegan chicken cordon bleu. So this is what I've come up with. Yet again, this is another video where I haven't actually made this first. Again, I'm going to take you guys on this adventure with me. We're going to see if we can come up with chicken cordon bleu. So for the first part of my idea, so what I'm going to do first is, for my brilliant idea, I'm going to take this deli style ham from Light Life and I'm going to lightly grill it on the griddle for a couple of seconds just so that it has like somewhat of a consistency to it and it's not so much of a sandwich meat. And I'll show you how we do that right this second actually. With the chicken, I left the chicken overnight because this usually comes frozen. I left the chicken overnight in the refrigerator so that it's thawed. This is going to make you, what we're making right now is going to make you 2 patties because I'm going to take, I'll show you right now. I'm going to take 2 of these guys, I think there's 2. And I'm going to put all the ingredients, the cheese and the ham inside here. And then I'm going to preheat my oven to 420 while my deli meat is heating up. So the next part of what we're going to do is we're going to take our Boca burgers, our Boca chicken patties, and we're going to open up the package, put these guys like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use cream cheese. You can either use plain vegan cream cheese or you can use a flavored vegan cream cheese. I'm going to use the flavored vegan cream cheese just because of the fact that I've used this before, but it's been so long since I've used this that I can't remember if I have to like put seasonings in it or not. Because some vegan cream cheeses need that little extra like spice to make it good. So I'm gonna put this one aside. But if you choose to use this, let me know. I'm using my Oko's savory scallion cream cheese. I'm just gonna take a bit of it and I'm gonna spread it on my patty like this. On both patties, I should say. So next comes the next part of this. I haven't gotten as far as to how I'm really going to do this. So like I said, you guys are coming on an adventure with me. We're going to figure it out together. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a slice of cheese and just put those 2 ham pieces right there. And then I'm going to put this down on top of one of the chicken patties. And then after that, I'm going to take another chicken patty. And right now it kind of looks like a sandwich, but I'm going to start to, try to anyway, press them together. Cordon Bleu going. So what you want to do first is you want to dip it in your egg replacer. It's going to be messy too. You got to be careful with this. Whew. Then you're going to dip it in the cornstarch. And then you're going to re-dip it into your egg replacer. It's going to be so messy too. Like, be careful, guys. Beware. And then you're going to dip it into your breading here. And, you know, make sure that you get it breaded really, really well, okay? So now our chicken is breaded. We can now put them into the oven, and I'm going to let these guys cook for about 20 minutes in the oven, and then we can see what they look like when they come out. Also, what I'm going to do is the last 5 minutes of them baking, I am going to put a little bit of olive oil on them, and I am going to hit the broil button just so that they brown up really nice, like how